In this next example, the radius is not given. So to calculate the radius, we use the distance formula with the two given points. So we're going to write the standard form of the equation of the circle with center 2, 4 that also contains the point negative 2, 1. So if we want to go ahead, we know that the circle has a center of 2, 4, and we know that the point that it connects to on the circle is negative 2, 1. So that means this is what the circle is going to look like. We want to find out what is the radius of the circle. So if we have two endpoints, as previously we've done in our examples in this section, we can find the distance. In this case, we can find out what the radius is. So we know that the radius is the distance from the center to any point on the circle. So again, we can use the distance formula to calculate it. So we're going to use the center 2, 4 and the point negative 2, 1. So here is the distance formula for r. We have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. And then we're going to plug in our points. So we have x2 to be negative 2, and we have x1 to be 2. So we have negative 2 minus 2 squared. Then we have y2, which is 1, minus y1, which is 4. So 1 minus 4 squared. Now we get negative 4. When we square it, we get 16. When we square negative 3, we get positive 9. When we add 16 plus 9, we get 25. Then we have to ask ourselves, what do we have to square to get 25? The answer is 5. So we've only gotten the first part of this question because what we've done is we found out what the radius is. And now that we know that the radius is 5, and we know that the center of the circle is 2, 4, we can then use the standard form of the equation of the circle to find the equation. So again, here's the standard form of the circle. We know that h is 2, we know that k is 4, and we know that r is 5. So we end up getting x minus 2 squared plus y minus 4 squared, which is equal to 25.